Could artificial intelligence be the architect of a new world order? Imagine a world where machines learn, adapt, and even think, not as mere tools, but as collaborators in a broad spectrum of tasks. Welcome to the dawn of artificial intelligence, or AI. This is not a scene from a science fiction novel, but the reality of the 21st century. AI is a game changer, a revolutionary concept that has been evolving for decades. From its humble beginnings in the mid-20th century, when the idea of creating machines that could mimic human intelligence was just a dream, AI has grown into a force to reckon with. Today, it is a pervasive presence in our daily lives, from our smartphones to our cars, from our workplaces to our homes. But AI is more than just a technological innovation. It represents a profound paradigm shift in the way we live, work, and think. It is an intricate blend of computer science, mathematics, psychology, and even philosophy. It is the embodiment of our quest to understand human intelligence and replicate it in machines. AI has the potential to transform the world as we know it. It can revolutionize industries, reshape economies, and redefine social norms. It can help us solve complex problems, make better decisions, and unlock new opportunities. It can change the rules of the game, breaking old ones and creating new ones. Yet with great power comes great responsibility. The rise of AI poses profound questions and challenges. How do we ensure that AI benefits all of humanity, not just a privileged few? How do we protect our privacy and security in an age of intelligent machines? How do we preserve our values and ethics in a world increasingly run by algorithms? The dawn of AI is not just about machines becoming smarter. It's about us, humans, becoming wiser. It's about us learning to navigate this new landscape, harness the power of AI, and shape our destiny. As we stand at the brink of this new era, we must ask ourselves, what rules is AI set to break, and what new ones will it create? Imagine a world where diseases are not fought, but predicted. This is the world AI is creating in healthcare. Artificial intelligence is transforming the health landscape beyond recognition, opening new frontiers in predictive diagnostics and personalized treatments. It's about tackling health issues at their roots even before they manifest. Take IBM's Watson, for instance. This AI system has demonstrated an uncanny ability to diagnose rare diseases, often outperforming seasoned medical professionals. Then there's Google's DeepMind, which can predict eye diseases with astounding accuracy, offering a glimmer of hope for early detection and treatment. AI is taking us from a reactive healthcare model to a proactive one where prevention is paramount. It's about understanding the unique health blueprint of each individual and tailoring treatments accordingly. It's about harnessing vast amounts of data to predict health risks and intervene early. In the hands of AI, healthcare is no longer just about curing, but about foreseeing. In the realm of finance, AI is the new oracle. It's a game changer, revolutionizing the industry in unprecedented ways. From automated trading to risk assessment, the invisible hand of AI is making its mark. Consider robo-advisors. These clever algorithms manage billions of dollars in assets, tirelessly working round the clock, making investment decisions based on a plethora of variables. They don't sleep, they don't take breaks, they just keep analyzing, adjusting, and optimizing. Then there's the predictive power of AI. Algorithms capable of scanning and interpreting vast amounts of financial data, spotting trends and patterns that even the most seasoned analysts might miss. These digital soothsayers are not only predicting market trends, but also helping to mitigate risk, making the financial world a little less unpredictable. With AI, finance is not just about numbers, but about foresighted decisions. AI is not only breaking the rules, it's writing new ones, and we're just beginning to explore its potential. The classroom of the future is not bound by walls, but by AI. As we delve into the realm of education, we uncover a paradigm shift, a redefinition of the learning experience. Artificial intelligence is at the helm of this transformation, steering us towards a future where education is not just about learning, but about understanding and growth. Take, for instance, the AI-powered math tutor from Carnegie Learning. This innovative tool does more than just guide students through equations. It adapts to each learner's pace, identifying weaknesses and strengths, and tailoring lessons accordingly. The learning experience becomes a personalized journey, a journey that every student embarks on at their own pace. Then there's content technologies, a pioneer in AI-generated textbooks. These aren't your regular textbooks. They are dynamic learning resources, constantly updated with the latest information, making education a living, breathing entity. Education under the guidance of AI becomes a journey tailored to each individual. As we gaze into the future, one thing is clear. AI is the compass guiding us into the unknown, a realm where the impossible becomes possible, where the unachievable becomes achievable. This is the future of artificial intelligence, a future that is both exciting and slightly intimidating. Imagine a world where AI is seamlessly integrated into every aspect of our lives. From the moment we wake up to the moment we go to sleep, AI is there, enhancing our lives, making everything more efficient, more personalized. It's not just about transforming industries, it's about reshaping society. In the not-so-distant future, we could see AI revolutionizing areas like environmental conservation, transportation, and even space exploration. AI could help us design sustainable cities, streamline public transportation, and unlock the secrets of the universe. The possibilities are endless. The potential is immense. But as we journey into this brave new world, we must also consider the ethical implications. AI is a powerful tool, but like any tool, it can be misused. It's crucial that we develop AI responsibly, that we consider the potential consequences and put safeguards in place. We must ensure that AI is used to benefit humanity, not harm it. We also must consider the impact of AI on jobs and the economy. As AI automates more tasks, we could see a shift in the job market. But rather than seeing this as a threat, we should see it as an opportunity. An opportunity to create new jobs, to upskill workers, to drive innovation and productivity. AI is more than just a technological advancement. It's a cultural shift. It's a shift in how we think, how we work, how we live. It's a shift in what it means to be human. As we embrace AI, we must remember, it's not about breaking the old, but about building the new. It's about using AI to create a better, brighter, more sustainable future. A future where AI is not just a part of our lives, but a part of us.